Okay, now that I got everything cleaned, everything back together, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to line this right here up. We'll get that on there like so. I'll do it with hemostats instead of my finger. Okay, that way you can see what's going on a little bit better. Take it and I'm going to set it right in that hole right there. And I'm going to push this carburetor back. Now that's set. Now all I got to do is put the spring inside the hole. Now that linkage is back together. Okay, now I'll grab this, and remember there's a spring on this, so if it comes off, right there's how it goes. Just grab this, pull the carburetor out a little bit, grab that linkage, turn this plate sideways. I'm going to get the hemostats, that way you can see what's going on here. I'll just take it. You can take it with your hand, but this makes it easier for you to see what's going on. Latch right in there, push this back. Now all we got to do is bolt this up. Here's the spacer I was telling you about, don't lose it. It goes right in behind here. Go ahead and put it in first. See if I can get my fingers in here. Okay, got it in there, get it started. Try not to lose it. I'm going around a little bit. That one started. I'll get this one started. Now there's some little indentations probably on your plate on where this actually set. So try and get that in the same spot or as close as you can, to where it was. Okay, don't over tighten these because they will break if you're not careful. I'm going to go ahead and hook up the throttle linkage. Do not over tighten that one or else you will strip it out. Okay, let's check the throttle and the choke. That's full throttle, that's choke. That's full throttle, and that is idle. So that is working out really well. Next, I'll go ahead and put my manifold back on. Make sure your O-ring's in there. Also, make sure your gasket is on here. This should just slide right in. Go ahead and put your little breather tube on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bolts in the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my manifold and carburetor bolts on and tighten them up as well. Okay, now I'm going to take this hose and back off this tube, get it out of the way because I gotta go back in here and I gotta put my gas line on. Goes right here. Slide it on, take my pliers. Okay, gas line's on. Now we'll go ahead and hook up our manifold tube. Okay, now we can start it up. See how it runs before we put our plate on there. Okay. Sounds good, looks good. I'm going to put the plate back on there. Okay, just drop the plate right in here. Make sure this is behind this part right here. Then just start your bolts in. Okay, we're back where we started. Now all I got to do is put the hood on. get those little pins into these two little indentions here. And kind of wash through the little vents. If you get the outside one on, about right there, just let it go down. Okay, here it is. Slid into the side here on both sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of push this in. I'm going to lift up on the hood and see how it slid in. Going all the way in. Then I'm going to take and raise the hood up. I'm going to put those clips in to these to keep that from sliding out. Because that's how you take your hood off and put it back on. Comment, subscribe, give it a like. Thanks for watching.